You wake up tired. You check your phone. You scroll for a few minutes. Then suddenly, your whole day is gone. And the worst part is, this has become normal. Most people think their life will change someday. But someday never comes, because your life is not destroyed in one big moment. It disappears slowly, through small habits repeated every single day. The truth is, you do not need one more motivational video. You need a reset, a complete mental reset. And in the next few minutes, I am going to show you the exact 24-hour reset that can rebuild your life. Not fake productivity, not unrealistic routines, real actions that force your mind to wake up again. Today, I am giving you 6 powerful rules that can completely rebuild your mindset, discipline, and direction in life. And if you actually follow these rules for just one day, your mindset will never feel the same again. So listen carefully. Rule number 1, destroy the dopamine overload. The first thing ruining your life is overstimulation. Your brain is no longer excited by real life because it is addicted to constant entertainment. Short videos, notifications, music every second, scrolling while eating, scrolling while thinking, scrolling while existing. Your brain never gets silence anymore. And silence is where clarity is created. So for the next 24 hours, remove the noise. No useless scrolling, no random videos, no checking your phone every 5 minutes. Because the moment your brain becomes bored, it starts thinking again. And that is dangerous, because most people spend their whole life avoiding their own thoughts. Rule number 2, fix your morning immediately. If your morning is weak, your discipline is weak. Read that again. The way you wake up decides the direction of your entire day. If the first thing you touch every morning is your phone, you are training your mind to seek distraction before purpose. That is why you feel unfocused all day. So tomorrow morning, do this instead. Wake up, drink water, wash your face, go outside for a few minutes, move your body. No phone. You need to win the first hour of the day, because if you lose the morning, the rest of the day usually follows. And this is where most people fail. Rule number 3, clean your environment. Your room affects your mind more than you realize. A messy room creates mental pressure. It reminds your brain that your life is out of control. That is why you feel heavy even when you are doing nothing. Most people today spend more time watching success than building it. Your desk, your room, your digital space. Delete useless apps. Remove distractions. Because every clean environment creates a clearer mind. And sometimes, discipline starts with something as simple as making your bed. Sounds basic, but basic actions repeated consistently create powerful people. Now listen carefully to this next rule, because almost nobody talks about it. Rule number 4, stop consuming other people's lives. They watch rich people, successful people, confident people, but they never become one. Because watching improvement is not the same as living it. Rule number 5, do one difficult thing. Every powerful person you admire has trained one skill, the ability to do hard things even when they do not feel like it. That is real discipline. So today, do something uncomfortable. Study when you want to procrastinate. Exercise when you feel lazy. Sit in silence instead of opening social media. Rule number 6, spend 1 hour alone. No music, no phone, just you and your thoughts. Because deep down, most people already know what is destroying their life. But clarity changes everything. When you finally sit alone, you begin noticing the patterns, the wasted time, the excuses, the addictions, the fear. And that awareness is powerful, because you cannot change a life you refuse to examine. Your entire life will not suddenly become perfect tomorrow. But it does something more important. It interrupts the cycle. Because one disciplined day can remind you who you are capable of becoming. Most people will hear this video and do nothing, but a few people will take action immediately. And those people will slowly separate themselves from everyone else. So the question is simple. Will you keep repeating the same life? Or will you finally reset it? Thank you for watching.